So this is a 2009 Aston Martin DB9 ABS module electronic connector removal. So we are in the left front wheel well. You need to remove the wheel, the fender liner. If you can't remove the fender liner without my assistance, you probably shouldn't be doing anything in here. Now, ABS module connector has a cover on here. There are two tabs on the bottom. It even says pull tabs. Push those up. You will slide it up and out of the way. And you can see on the inside here, up at the top, there are two pins. Those two pins fit in these two rails. When you lift it up, they will release slightly, at which point then you need to remove the connector from this hook. Just a plastic rod comes out. At that point, you lift these tabs up substantially further, which I'm failing to do. There's a locking tab right here on the side. So get a small pry tool if necessary and get into that. I now only have one hand due to the camera. It's a little trickier. Let's see if I can set the camera down in a way you can still see something. Well, I'm perplexed because I just had this out. Basically, these tabs go up a full another ½ inch at least, at which point in time the connector just slides off. Well, there we go. I'm putting some gentle traction on it. I'm pulling it out. And these arms are coming up slowly. As they come up, it's working its way off. And there it is. Installation is just the opposite. Push it in, push the tabs down. As they go down, they seat the connector. Then you just reinstall this. All right, and there we go. Done.